So we had a great time at Cadwell Park. We were let down hugely by the brakes. There's some footage somewhere of the brakes on fire. We had to cut the day short, as was the plan. We are now about to fit the Tarox 8s. They're still running the 345mm discs, but we've gone for the F2000 discs for now. Let's see how we get on with those. Like I say, these are the Tarox 8 pots. We're running the competition pads. Got to get them on quickly because we've got Oulton Park booked in, and we'll report back to you, see how we found these. So we've obviously in the last minute, which is where we tend to live when you're doing little projects like this. We've got the brakes on. The track day is tomorrow. It's 3 o'clock now, and we just thought we'd better go and bed the pads in a little bit before the day, so it saves you wasting a session just going out just to bed the pads in. We've not actually used any compound on the back of the pads. Standard copperies wouldn't do the job anyway because it just has too low a melting point. You just end up smearing copperies everywhere. So we've been at that now for about 20 minutes, and I'm actually starting to get some feeling into the brakes now. So we're probably somewhere near. The BC coilovers on this car have absolutely transformed the car. Set out Cadwell Park, and we've just done a little bit of tweaking on it really. We've not had the car corner weighted or anything like that. Started on midpoints on both the compression and the rebound, and we've gone in about 5 clicks on the compression and about 4 clicks on the rebound, and it's starting to give us the feedback that we want, and it's behaving pretty much how we want it. It's not very heavily sprung, this car. We're only running 8 kilograms front and rear. There's no cage in it, so perhaps if we go down the cage route later we may spring it a little bit. So we're quickly getting ready for our track day at Oulton Park. We've got the brakes on and we've put a downpipe on it, a Decat downpipe. It's no secret that the Decats are very restrictive on these cars as stock. We've made a slight tweak to the map, and the car's actually gone up from 300 brake horsepower to 324.9. We gained nearly 25 brake horsepower just by getting rid of the cat. And that's throughout the rev range, wherever you look, even at 4,800 RPM here, you can see from the plot that the car's gone from 257 brake horsepower to 273. So it's a good separation between the runs throughout the rev range. So we're going to unstrap this now and get it down to Oulton and see how that power actually equates to track times. So we had a great time at Oulton Park. We've got some logging from our V-Box there. We actually did island circuit and we got around it in 1 minute 45, which really for a novice driver was pretty good. And it is all down to obviously the car's making a decent amount of power, 324 like we said at the clutch. But predominantly I would say it was down to the brakes and the suspension setup. We had Ollie at Phoenix Engineering who did all the geometry for us. Big shout out to Ollie there, really knows his stuff. If you ever need anything setting up, we'll leave his details in the description below. But I don't know what to do with this car now. What do you guys think? Drop in the comment section below. Should we carry on developing this, cage it, and like I say, strip the interior out and make it into a full track car? Or should we start with a new chassis that's a little bit more geared, just with 3 doors? But we leave that to you. Drop in the comment section below. Do drop us a subscribe, it really does help us out. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. It will notify you of any new videos that we're releasing.